Hello guys, today I will upgrade my RC car. I'm going to add a suspension system and turn it into crawler RC car. As you can see, it broke because the plastic piece was too small, and since the ground clearance is low, my car gets stuck very easily. But don't worry, everything is fixed. Let me show you how I upgraded it. Alright, now I will build my car like this. The shock absorber will be installed here. I think the biggest challenge for an RC crawler is keeping the front and rear axle stable. So I did some research on Google RC crawler structure, and I found it. Now I will use this structure for my car. Do you think it looks like a moose? Now, let's look at this suspension system. Do you think it will work? Now, I'm going to install the servo here. The car is almost finished, but I'm a bit worried about how strong the front axle is. And my fear came true.
Oh no!
Ooh. Oh my god! Oh. Now the car is ready to go. It's unbelievable. I found an amazing place to test my RC car. Here we go. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh no. It's broken. Don't worry everyone. I have all-purpose glue.
Woo!
Oh, 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 oh. Ah! Okay, I've realized there are still some weaknesses in my car and I will keep working on improving it. I also have many exciting projects coming soon, so if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to support my channel. Thanks for watching.